I've got an antique Singer model VS2 with the Fiddle shaped base. Serial number is 8737642, which dates it to 1889. It has the painted flower decals on it. Chrome's pretty good. It's got some wear. The balance wheel chrome is gone, so this is just exposed steel. The machine's been serviced. I've gone over it. Everything is complete and in working order, and I just want to show you how well it stitches. Also, this is not the correct table for the machine, so I just have it kind of laying on here. If you hear any other strange noises, it's not the machine. It's just because it's not completely secured. I've got 4 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for a picture. You can see a good full speed stitch. I'll go through one more time. And the machine's 130 years old. And still working. Trying to get the autofocus. And you can see it's got good stitch. It's a little hard to see the stitch on the back. And there you have it.